Alright, how's everyone doing today? So, I got a little update about the channel. Like, what I want to do is, I'm going to try to look for a better job because right now I'm making hardly anything and I'm working part-time. And that was to be able to have time to make the videos. But the way the videos are going, nobody's going to want to subscribe to my channel because who cares about my life? Like, there's so many other popular YouTubers who make vlogs. So what my plan is to get a decent job, still make videos here and there, maybe every week or every 2 weeks, whatever happens. Depending on whenever I get the time. And then I want to be able to get a car. I have my mind on a type of car that I want, and I'm going to be hunting for it this spring and summer. And once I get a nicer car, then I'll be able to make videos about that car and building it and stuff like that. Also, my girlfriend and I plan on moving possibly. Also, like, there's nothing here to even do, like out town to film or anything, so we're gonna move, and then after I get a decent car, it's gonna be a lot better, like, for videos and stuff like that, and it's gonna be a lot more interesting. But right now, it's time for a coffee, so let's go. Reasons why being Canadian sucks. You wake up to this stuff, and you, like, it's not even like thick enough to scrape off. That sucks. And my windshield washer fluid is froze up. Wow. That sucks. All the way around too.
Hi, can I take your order?
Hi, could I get a large double-double?
Anything else today?
No, thank you.
One large double-double is $2.20 on the drive-through.
Alright, now I gotta go in and go into Gau's and get a key cut for my girlfriend because she lost her key like she loses everything. And then I gotta go get gas, and then I have no clue what I'm doing. I thought where maybe I'm not very entertaining, I'd come to a fairly nice place. After this, I think I'm gonna go to the beach. I haven't showed that on any videos yet. Cape Breton's a really beautiful spot. And also, if I get a nice car, like I was saying earlier, there's a really nice trail called the Cape Trail, and there's a rally every year with a bunch of nice cars that I'm probably gonna go to if I get it. So this road was pretty rough coming down because it's all ice, and now we get to this. This is at the beach, but the beach is up way up there, and I don't know how deep this is. And it's salt water as well. It's pretty deep. Yeah, I think, pretty sure full send will work. Let's try this. You got this, baby. You got this. Alright, let's do this thing. Yeah, she's deep. Oh, this thing's gonna be rotten underneath. It's all good, I only bought it for $1,000. That was wicked. Wow, this is rough. And my struts are blown, so it's like a friggin' roller coaster right now. Hey, we made it! Let's try not to get stuck right here. It's frozen, so it's all good. Oh, the waves though! I'm gonna park right here so we don't get stuck, because I don't really know how bad it is. It shouldn't be soft considering it's like, well, 0 degrees. But yeah, this is the beach. Well, the closest one to me. And there's a windmill or a wind turbine, whatever you call them, way over there. It looks a lot better in person. But yeah, because like way out there, you can't see all that stuff way out there, but it's really nice. Cameras don't do anything justice. Waves are pretty decent. You should come down here surfing, you know, it's not like it's like freezing temperatures or anything. And I'm freezing, I'm shaking. Alright, it's time to go. Let's go. Now to get back through all this stuff. Like, I'm telling you, like, it's pretty bad. It's slippery, and there's one point where it's all uphill and this thing's all ice and my tires are not good. Well, for this stuff at least, and also I'm in a front wheel drive car, so that doesn't help either. nothing looks good on camera. Although, I mean, it doesn't look horrible, but still not great. And after all that bouncing around and going through the water, my check engine light is on. Look at that. Alright, well anyways, I gotta end the video here because I gotta go in and edit it now, and then I gotta get ready for work. I work at 3 o'clock, and right now it's 11:30, so I got just about enough time to edit the video and then get all ready for work. So if you liked the video, please like it and subscribe. It would help me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video.